Hi guys, another day for another training. So welcome again sa ating Joseph FX Tribe Affiliate Marketing, and today is our day 3. So mabilis lang ulit tong ating lessons, and for today pag-usapan natin is yung overview of forex services. So dahil nga magpo-promote tayo ng mga services ng mga forex trading, so we will have a quick review muna, overview rather, bago natin isa-isahin to as we go along to this journey natin sa ating affiliate marketing. So alright, so the overview of forex services, number 1 dyan ay yung affiliate marketing. That's yan yung una natin ginagawa ngayon. So we will discuss further. So step by step ituturo natin kung paano natin yung ginagawa in a correct way, in a ethical way, no? So stay tuned lang din. So basically affiliate marketing is something na you don't own a product pero you offer it to somebody else, then you will get a commission. So ganoon lang siya basically. So sa atin naman sa forex affiliate naman natin, basically you have, if you register to a broker, you can have you will get your affiliate link. So yan yung link na ipa-register mo, ipo-promote mo yan dun sa mga maging possible clients mo. Then when they sign up, they register, they verify their account, they deposit, and they trade, or even copy trading, or depende sa kanila. So every time na they do trading, so we will have rebates dun sa mga trades nila. That's how affiliate marketing works in forex. So don't worry, we have more of this sa yung actual na natin ginagawa, as in step by step. This is just only an overview. Alright, so we also have high quality forex signals. For ito naman, yung nakikita nyo sa ibang group, may mga nag-offer ng free signal, mga ganyan. So basically same setup. They need you to sign up to their links. So yun nga, so dahil kumikita nga tayo dun sa mga rebates din, no? So ito na, magbigay kayo ng mga signals, which is i-enter lang ng client mo sa kanilang MT4, MT5, whether to buy or to sell. Then meron din yung mga stop loss, take profit, to lessen the risk. So ganun lang. So ginaguide naman natin sila dyan. Alright, so next, strategic copy trading. So ito naman, I call it strategic kasi hindi lang tayo basta magka-copy. So dito I'll teach you na yung ano yung mga ways lang na dapat nating gawin, or mga factors when to start copy that master trader. So hindi yung pag may nakita kang nag-gain ng 100%, 200%, kakopy mo na siya agad. So make sure we will discuss it more. Kaya nga we call it a strategic copy trading. So basically yan yung nakapag-set up na si client ng account and nakapag-deposit na, then may refer kang social trader, then you start them na mag-copy sila doon. So kung ano yung copy ni master trader, it will be mirrored to the client. So kung winning si master trader, winning din si client, and vice versa. So kung losing si master trader, losing din si client. Alright, so let's go ahead. So EA or AI installation, ito naman same din pa rin. So it fall back pa rin sa affiliate marketing. So ito naman ay kung ayaw nila ng copy trading, kasi nga copy trading is merong commission. So every trade may commission si master trader. Dito kasi walang commission si master trader, pero ang cons nito is kailangan magbayad sila ng BPSP, tapos full nila makukuha nila yung profit nila dun sa trade. So basically we will also teach you how to do it too. Alright, so ito naman sa iba naman, they offer basic or advanced forex education. So kasi again, forex is business, so we cater all. So may mga gusto matuto, so we also offer this, no? So but this time sa atin, we will outsource this, no? So may mga partners tayo who will do the forex education. Alright? So basically, ito naman ito naman is tuturuan kayo paano naman dito mag-trade, yung mga strategy and everything. So ito rin, we have also partner with this si M1 Scalping. So meron tayong in-offer din ito this is for advanced naman na ng mga trader na at least nakakaunawa na, so alam na nila yung ginagawa nila. So we also have this. So, ito naman forex indicators. So sa other services or other groups, they also offer this. So basically indicator naman to para magamit sa kanilang trading journey. Basically ano lang yan, i-attach mo yan dun sa MT4, MT5, then the indicator will tell if it is buy or if it is sell. So basically it is also part ng manual trading. Alright, so ito naman MT4, MT5 EA development. So merong courses din ito na pwedeng i-offer sa mga gusto naman na mag-create ng kanilang mga robots. So we will have this kind of service also, or we can also outsource it, no? So hindi pa kasi yung sa akin is hindi pa fully complete yun, basic pa lang. Pero in the forex industry, they have this. So nag-offer sila ng sa mga aspiring na maging programmers or developers ng mga EA or robots for the forex din sa mga clients nila. And again, to summarize, actually marami pa ng iba, no? So hindi pa lang nailagay lahat, but this is just the basic pa rin. So to summarize all of this, we have the affiliate marketing, high quality forex signal, strategic copy trading, EA and AI installation, basic to advanced course, M1 scalping module, forex indicators, MT4 or MT5 development. Alright, so I guess that's for now, and this just all overview. So later on, as we go along to the process, we will discuss it individually. Alright, so congratulations everyone, and thank you, and see you again for tomorrow for another training. Thank you, bye bye.